Lana Brophy.
All right, let's head over for another check of that forecast.
Lana, what's the latest? I know it's hot out here as well, right?
Yeah, but we just saw that video coming from Arizona. That monsoon surge is going to impact us as well. So that's what's headed our way as we get into next week. But right now, it's hot, and we do have some clouds over Lake Mountain. Utah Lake and Linden, people are enjoying the water because triple digits yet again, 98 down in Provo, but we've hit the triple digits in Salt Lake. Live view from the Utah Tech camera, where we do have some lingering moisture, some building convection there. So you can't rule out an isolated storm in the south central mountains. So heads up there. Southern Utah also seeing its 28th day, back-to-back triple-digit days, 28 days. Basically, there is a little bit of relief on the way, but we're going to go a whole month with triple digits in Washington County. So I'm thinking of you guys down there. Cooler air hopefully moving towards us. 90s out there right now in Provo and Logan. It's 100 in Salt Lake. We did top out at 101. 105 in Green River. It's hot in Moab, Hanksville, Milford, and 108 at this hour, so still climbing in St. George. Along the Wasatch Front, mostly clear skies. And those clear skies are going to stick around as we head into tonight because the dominating weather feature is high pressure. 90s to 80s by ABC4 News at 10. Sun officially goes down at 8:48. Those days are getting shorter. It's a little breezy out there, and it's still hot. Sweltering Saturday ahead for all of us in the Beehive State and really the region. You hear all these national stories. July is on track to be the hottest month on record on Earth ever. We're part of that with the heat that we're seeing, and last summer was the hottest summer on record for Salt Lake City, and we've got the heat now. Live view from Bryce Canyon, where you're catching some virga. So as I mentioned, over the higher terrain, storm development possible. Still a really pretty shot down at Bryce. Bryce is always nice, one of my favorites. Satellite radar showing you that in southwestern Wyoming, we do get some echoes of moisture this afternoon. And then we're watching that moisture to the south of us because that's streaming in over the south central mountains. And that's why there's just the slightest chance we could see a storm. That chance, it goes up in the next couple of days because of that monsoon surge. I'm going to show you a future cast walking us through what to expect. Cloud cover tonight by 9 p.m. And as we head into our Saturday, quiet during the day. But by the afternoon and evening, some spotty isolated activity. The model picks up on it right here in and around I-15, I-70 in Castle Country. So eyes to the skies. Even the West Desert could see an isolated storm or two, some gusty winds coming through. But the storm chance, it really increases as we get to the latter half of the weekend. We do have flash flood potential increasing. Capitol Reef, Lake Powell, Grand Staircase, Bryce, and Zion all have the possibility for Saturday, and that's going up on Sunday. And here's why. That monsoon surge. Okay, so this is subtropical moisture that's moving through Mexico. Our southerly flow is going to drag that into the United States. The southwestern United States, like Arizona, will tap into that, but that moisture makes all the way to Utah, which means the potential for storms increases for the latter half of the weekend and into early next week. High pressure, the positioning of it actually plays into this as well. We've seen monsoon-like setups because of the high pressure, bringing in moisture from the south, and now it's true monsoon with that subtropical air coming in. But look at all that moisture potential Monday through Wednesday, which means the storms are going to be around and they're going to impact you afternoon and evening. Let me show you the places that we expected the most. Hot tomorrow, so heat burst, storms into next week. 103 in Salt Lake, 90s in the Basin, 107 in Moab, 109 in St. George. Cooking. Here's the break I talked about for Washington County. This monsoon surge is going to increase cloud cover by Sunday. Scattered storms Monday. Tuesday, forewarning you, looks the stormiest with widespread activity in southern Utah, and check the temperatures. We drop to the 90s. Would be the first time in 30 some odd days. We do see the triple digits coming back, but a little break there. Wasatch Front, hot for the next two. 103, I don't love to go 103 back to back, but that's the atmospheric profile right now. So we will see increasing cloud cover on Sunday and the slight chance of moisture for the start of the work week. Notice how that really amps up. We'll see it a little later. Hits the south first. We have an 88 on the 7-day, and I tell you what, it's the greatest thing to happen to me.
I love it.
In the last couple of weeks. I think that seems absolutely wonderful.
Yes, I will take it.
Thanks so much, Alana. We appreciate it. Time now for a look at sports with our Wesley Ruff.
Gearing up for fight night.
Yep. The pugilists will be in town. UFC 291 taking place tomorrow right here in Salt Lake City. Now, some big-name fighters are obviously in town, and some up-and-comers like Bobby Green, who's not from Utah, but he loves it here.
Man.